So as you can see, I'm starting off this video in the whip. I found a crazy deal on my marketplace. So now I'm going to go pick it up and show you guys what I got. And then after that, I'm going to show you guys my first all white PC build. So stay tuned for that. I got plenty more coming. I finally was able to make it to the meetup spot. It is this local Publix area. And I did drive 1 hour and 40 minutes to get here. So hopefully the deal goes through and this guy doesn't flake. And the deal has actually been secured. As you can see, this is a brand new Z590 motherboard that I was able to get for 40 bucks. The guy never used it and he was just trying to get rid of it. But he also had another motherboard for sale as well. And I went ahead and got that one also for 40 bucks. This one he used in his own personal build. And I think I do already have a processor for this one. So look out for my future videos. These two motherboards will be used. So I have actually really enjoyed flipping PCs on my marketplace, finding the parts for cheap, selling it for profit, so on and so forth. So I do plan on turning flipping PCs into my own little series of mine while I build up enough cash to open up a storefront to start my business where it'll be a retail store with PCs and also a repair shop all in one as well. But I want to sell more than PCs, but I guess just to get started, I just start off with that. Now, before I actually start building this PC right here, I have some great news. I was able to sell both the PCs I had for sale, which is that 1660 Ti build with a Ryzen 5 2600. I sold that for a total of $500, and every penny of that is going towards my profit. And I was able to sell that i7 11 Gen with the 3060 for $750, and that was a total profit of $282.67. So that left me with a total of $782.67 worth of profit. And I used that profit to build this PC here. As you guys can see, it did post. Now, if you guys do like this type of content, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And also leave a comment what you guys think I should name this series of me flipping PCs. Now, as for the parts list that goes onto this PC, it is an i5 10600K, 32 gigabytes of RAM clocked at 3600 megahertz. It has a 750 watt power supply, 1 terabyte of storage, M.2, and it's the non-XT 10 gigabyte 6700 graphics card from AMD, and it has the AIO, the FrostFlow, the 240 millimeter AIO. Now that you guys know all the parts lists, let's get straight into some benchmarks. Now, the first game I decided to test was Cyberpunk. Now, I went to my comment section on my last video and asked what games I should play. Some of you guys said GTA, some said Cyberpunk, even other people suggested some simulator games. But I decided to go with Cyberpunk and GTA this time. And on Cyberpunk, it did average around 78 frames per second with ray tracing on medium and high presets. The next game I decided to benchmark was GTA 5. Now what you see on the screen is the very first mission of GTA, and that did give me around 180 frames per second on 1080p high presets. Off camera, I did decide to do the in-game benchmark that GTA has, and that also gave me around 180 frames per second. So this game runs pretty smooth on here. And finally, I decided to play a game of Resurgence. This game ran pretty well. It gave me 150 frames on 1080p with high presets. I also did have on the AMD FSR 3.0. First time I ever turned that on. So this game ran amazingly. And I think I'm going to price it for around $850. Hopefully I can get $850 for it. I know people are going to try to talk me down on Facebook Marketplace, but my lowest goal is to get around $750 to $850 range. So let me know down in the comment section how much you guys think I should sell it for, or am I too high, am I too low? Let me know down in the comment section.